Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I've had a few hours free today to work on the van and I've got a few little jobs done, so I thought I'd just share it with you all. Let's take a look. So first thing I did was install this magnetic knife rack. This is actually super cheap. I think it was like £3 off of Amazon. Then I've just mounted it onto a spare bit of timber, just glued it to the cladding here. The magnets seem plenty strong enough, but have not road tested yet, so I will update you on that, and you know, hopefully it works all right. I think it will do. So that's that little job. Then I just made this out of some scrap 18mm ply, just to hold tool items like olive oil and washing up liquid that don't fit in the storage cabinets up here. So yeah, I was thinking, oh, where can I store them? I could perhaps have put them under the sink here, but I wanted them nice and free, stuff that you use really frequently. So yeah, just used a couple of hole saws, cut the holes, then used the jigsaw, glued the bits of ply together, and then a bit of paint on it. And then there's a screw in there, which you can see, one screw there, and a couple in there just holding it to this bit here, and I've also glued it there and stuck some sealant there. But no, I think that looks pretty cool. Just an extra bit of storage to keep things. So the next job that I did was underneath the van. So this pipe here is the drainage pipe from the sink, and that there is my grey water tank. I've had that installed for a little while, but I just haven't hooked it up yet. I've had to use a couple of like reducers to get down to the size that's on the tank. There's a bit of a kink in this hose there, but it does seem to be draining okay at the moment. So that's good. So yeah, that's hooked up now, that's working. So I'm not pissing out grey water whenever I do my washing up. I think in the long term I will switch to this type of hose, because this won't kink, whereas obviously you can see I have got a kink there, and I would imagine that's going to cause a blockage at some point. So the other thing that I did today was the shower at the back, which I'm really impressed with. It's got a good pressure on it, and yeah, you can adjust the temperature on it as well. The only thing I would say is when you disconnect the shower hose, some water does just sort of dribble out. Obviously the pressure, the water that's left in the pipe just dribbles out, which isn't ideal because that is inside the van. But I've just thought, because I've got those two like stopcock or shut-off valves just in front of where the shower is, if I shut those off, turn the shower on, it will then drain everything that's in the shower hose, the connection and the short bits of hose after the shut-off valve. So that won't be a problem. It's just have to get used to using it and doing it that way. So yeah, pretty happy with how that's turned out. Okay, so thanks for watching. It's obviously a lot shorter than my videos normally are, but yeah, I'm just going to try and do a few more shorter, more regular videos over the next few days or week or so, as I just get this van completely finished and pushed over the line. So yeah, stay tuned. If you're new here, subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss other videos, and yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers.